Hello, Ian here from In 30 Minutes Guides, and I'm in the LinkedIn app for iOS on my iPhone. And basically, I'm going to show you how to review and apply for jobs using the LinkedIn mobile app. It's actually really, really easy. And basically, once you've installed the app and you've logged in, on the lower right corner, you'll see a tab that says Jobs. That's all you need to do to get started. And it will show you recommended jobs first. Now, the good thing about these recommended jobs is that it's based on what your profile is, maybe what other similar profiles look like in the types of jobs that they're applying for, and other information that LinkedIn uses to determine to match people with an ideal job. So it's looking at my profile and determining that, oh, you'd make a good vice president for social media at Moody's Corporation, CVS Health. I'd like to note that these jobs are local to where I live. I live in New England. And if I wanted to apply to one, for instance, let's say that I want to apply to this Executive Director Communications, Digital Innovation, I would just open it up, I tapped it, and then tap the apply button. And it would send me to an external website to continue on. Now, one issue with some of these external websites is they'll ask you to do a lot of things like upload a resume or something like that. And from your phone, that may not be possible to do that easily. However, another thing you can do if you're not ready to use your phone to do that, just tap save. So it has saved the job, and then I can come back to that later on. So I'm going to lower that. Now, the other thing that you can do is tap the Show All button, and it will show more and more jobs that match up what my resume looks like. Okay, so that's great. The recommended jobs, it's pretty solid. However, I have to be honest, I've never been a director of communications before. I actually haven't worked as a communications officer for a long time. I think it's looking at old information on my resume and determining that, okay, 15 years ago he used to work in communications, so now his career should have progressed to where he's applying for VP or director. If you're not finding the right job, what you can do is just use the job search by title, skill, or company. Oftentimes I'll search by title. So let's say that I want to be a research consultant or research analyst. Let's do that. Now it's showing the greater Boston area and all of these jobs are popping up. If I wanted to make it so it's actually in another city or remote, just delete it and then tap the city like New York City or San Francisco or whatever, or tap remote. So I'm going to do remote and see what comes up. And a whole bunch of jobs come up, including some the first one is in Des Moines, Iowa. So that's very far away from here. But I could review those and then select the ones that I want. If you're just kind of going through quickly and you're not ready to like do a deep read of each job posting, tap the little bookmarking icon right there and it will save it. And then you can review it later, either on your desktop machine or on your mobile application. My name is Ian Lamont. I am the publisher of In 30 Minutes Guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes. If this video interests you, check out our other videos. Like the video, follow us, and also check out our guides, including LinkedIn in 30 Minutes. My name is Ian. Thank you so much for watching.